Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on caller ID in Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there, and you want to tap on More. This section gives you access to all the additional settings and features that Viber offers beyond your regular chats and calls. Once you tap on More, you'll be taken to a new screen with various menu options. From here, look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This is where you can customize and manage all aspects of your Viber experience, from privacy controls to notification preferences. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories. Scroll through these options until you find calls and messages, then tap on it. This section specifically handles everything related to how your calls and messages function within the app, including important features like caller ID. After tapping on calls and messages, you'll be presented with several options related to call and message management. Look for the option that says caller ID and tap on it. This feature is particularly useful because it allows the person you're calling to see your name and number when you reach out to them, making your calls more recognizable and trustworthy. Once you're in the caller ID section, you'll see the caller ID option displayed on your screen. Right beside this option, you'll notice a toggle button. This toggle is what controls whether your caller ID is active or not. Go ahead and tap on the toggle button, and it will switch to the on position. You'll typically see a color change or movement in the toggle to confirm that the feature is now activated. With caller ID turned on, anyone you call through Viber will be able to see your information displayed on their screen when you contact them. And that's it. You've successfully enabled caller ID in Viber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.